Here's a 22 FQS. This is a 2020 model year. And this is basically a redesigned 21 FQS. So how it differs is the refrigerator has been relocated over here where the entertainment center used to be. Kind of dark in here and the camera's not doing so great in the lighting, but the kitchen has been drastically enlarged. The sink used to be down here at that end near the door, and it has been relocated over here where the refrigerator used to be. So you've got a little corner sink counter, kitchen counter kind of bends out just a little bit at an angle, and then we have this nice little bar area. And down below we've got two cabinets. And this is a full queen bed. I am not really sure what this little doodad is there on the wall. I've never seen that before. It's a holder for something. No idea what. And just like all of the other Outdoors RV models, it's got beds, drawers under the bed. There's a AC outlet right there. And then the TV is mounted up above. Got a set of cabinets on each side of the microwave. Lots of kitchen storage space. Two cabinets there, 4 drawers. Drawer under the stove, 3 drawers, and another cabinet under the sink. And this is the new single basin sink. Really nice layout how they've redesigned this, and it is a foot longer than the 21 FBS. I looked at the specs on the back of the brochure to confirm that. But just like the 21 FBS, this has a large glass enclosed shower, lots of room there in front of the sink, and then the toilet's back here in the corner. And we have 3 lights in the bathroom and another closet back here in the corner. And then below the closet we have a drawer. Overall, this is a really neat floor plan, how they've redesigned it. And let's do a quick walk around on the outside. This has also been outfitted from the factory with 16-inch tires and wheels and the MoreRide CRE 3000 off-road suspension system. That's the freshwater fill, and then we have the furnace, slam latch baggage compartment doors, fiberglass front cap with a diamond plate, nice deep slide out. I like that slide out. And here's all of our utility connections: city water, satellite, cable TV, Santa flush for the black water tank, enclosed outdoor shower. It's behind an insulated door, and then we have our shore power connection at the back corner here. And then looking at the back, we have the large diameter tube ladder. And then our hot water heater is back here underneath the rear closet. Overall, a really nice unit.